Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out this TwinGrip cane I got here. So it's gonna give you the support that you need. So let's see what we've got. Hopefully it's very simple to use. Okay, so it's got a little snap here to do it, and then it opens up and everything fits into place, and there we go. So here it is. It is a nice solid cane when it's put together like this. Looks like it's gonna have a flashlight of some sort here. We probably need to have maybe a battery on it or something. Yes, it's gonna take a battery back there. Let's see, do I have the right size battery? I'm not sure if it's gonna take a AAA. I only have AA's. I'll be right back with a AAA battery. Okay, I put some batteries in. It was just simple, just two AAA batteries just into there. Plus side facing out. We have a light that we have right here. It looks like it's adjustable of some sort. Might need to oh, there we go, just kind of push it. So there we go, so that'll light us up. We have an alarm as well. Listen to this for a second. That's loud. Okay, and then we have this here, so we can kind of give ourselves grip if we're trying to stand up. We have these here. These are nice rubber cleats on the bottom of it here. They're rubber, so they're going to give us nice stability there. And it does have a nice, strong, good, solid base to it. I mean, it's a adjustable one that kind of comes apart, but it's solid. It's going to be good to help you get up and use it. And then it's got this here, so we can wrap it back up again. We could adjust the height of it if we need to with that. Let me see. Push the alarm. Let's see. So yeah, so like that. So there we can go. Oh, that's too high. So here is our height of our highest here. So we go all the way up from there, all the way down to there. So pretty cool. So I like this. Seems like it's gonna come in handy for when we have the cane need, and nice and solid, and nice that it kind of folds up as well. I like it, really good, thumbs up.